welcome back to another vlog of bathroom and just our whole house renovation. We can't seem to stick to one project ever. So you just have to bear with us as we renovate our entire house. But as you've seen, the boys have been working hard on getting all of the ceilings textured. One of them is the master bedroom. One of the ceilings is the bathroom that we're redoing. So today I get to start painting, finally. I'm so excited. The ceiling looks so good. Like, it's hard to see on here, but I'm telling you, this whole room looks completely different now that the ceilings are textured and the popcorn ceiling is gone. It just makes it so much more modern, and I can't wait to see what a white ceiling looks like in here because it's always been yellow. So we went and got paint. I'm coming into the bathroom now. I'm gonna start painting the ceilings in here, which shouldn't take very long. Our paint, we buy all of our paint from Sherwin-Williams. Let me grab it. And they've been great. We're not the best at picking out paint colors. Fingers crossed, we finally found a color that is gray, and it is called Repost Gray. Here's a little swatch we did last night. I was so excited. And obviously it's a tiny little swatch, but it is so pretty. So just to give you a little comparison, that is Repost Gray, and this gray is what's in the rest of the house. So obviously there's some shadows, but it definitely has like a purple blue tint, and that is pulling gray. So I'm so excited. But anyways, I'm getting off track. Today we are just painting the ceilings. We are using Eminence, which I haven't used before, but this is what our guy recommended. It's a flat for ceilings, and it's just white, pure white. We always go with the purdy, and yeah. So I'm gonna get started, and hopefully it doesn't take me too long. Okay, so we're already off to a little bit of a rough start. I forgot pan liners, so Sean is stopping on his way home to get me some of those because I forgot. So it's just gonna delay me a little bit, but that's okay. I can start cutting in around the walls and get that going. So I just wanted to show you guys everything I use. I'm not a professional. However, I have painted almost our entire house. Maybe there's a better way, but this is what works. And for all of you at home that are DIYers, this is probably what you will use. So I use this sometimes. It's just a little handheld paint tray, and I put a little plastic liner in there. And this is for your paintbrush, so you don't have to dip directly into your gallon of paint, and this is good for like taping in. I also love to use these brushes for taping in, the ones with the angle. It just makes it so much easier when you're cutting in. What did I say? Taping in, I think? Cutting in. So you have to have an angled brush. My last tip I learned from my dad, and that is to take your roller and take your painter's tape. I have a little bit extra on this roll. And what the heck? Okay, so you take your tape and you start sticking it around your roll. Okay, so your roller looks like this. And then you kind of squish it. And then you start taking that tape off, and all of the little dusties, I don't know if you can see it, all of the dusties on your roller come off. So it saves you from having that in your paint or on your walls. It's just a little trick of the trade. Then I have a roller for the ceiling. This is what I'll use. You just tap that on, like so. And then I also have an extender and that screws into this, because it makes it so much easier for ceilings to be able to get back here and roll on the paint. So that is gonna have to wait until Sean gets home, but I can start taping in and get going. we got a package in, and I think it is, right? It's our vanity light, yeah. So, I'm so excited. I ordered this on Wayfair. It came really fast. It came in like 2 days. I was surprised that it came today. So, we're gonna check it out. It took me a long time to find one that I wanted. Oh my God. Because of course I had this specific vision. That's the first part. You can't really tell what it is. Let's just get this unpackaged. So I wanted it to be black, matte black, to match the rest of our fixtures. And I wanted it to look a little bit farmhouse. So this is the part that is up against the wall, obviously. And gosh. These are the glass inserts. I love it. So there's 3 of those. It must not come with light bulbs. So, Sean and I will have to run and get some light bulbs later so we can look at it. Can you guys see it? It's kind of what it'll look like. I like it! Yay! Well, it's one thing. Ordered and done. Hi everyone! So we're back in the bathroom. It is a wild Friday night in my lovely gray outfit. And we're about to paint some gray walls. So, I just couldn't wait anymore. It's literally like 8:30 at night, which isn't super late, but like it's a little late to be starting a project like this. But sometimes I get a wild hair and just have to see it through. So, I'm gonna start painting the walls gray. We'll see how far I get tonight, and then I'm just planning on finishing up tomorrow. So here we go. This is the current situation. Sean, tell us about it.
We're taking the window out, getting ready for the block. We're not quite sure how exactly it's going to sit in there.
We have been waiting for this day because it's been literally negative below.
Literally.
And today it's finally like 30 something degrees, so we can do this. And Sean got the window out.
The block will go in next. It'll be nice.
And then we can start installing the tub, putting in the vanity, and the tile. I'm so excited.
It's coming together, isn't it, Brooke?
It's coming.
Once
So
that
I don't.
starts going in, it's gonna just fly.
Yeah.
It's gonna be nuts.
So I don't think I showed you guys the finished paint job, but I got all the ceiling painted white. I have a few touch-ups to do, and the walls are done, painted gray. So yeah.
Shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener than...
Okay, you guys, so this is where we're at the end of the day today. The boys worked really hard after work and got the window all tore out and kind of shut back in because it's still freezing out. And we got the vanity in, which is super exciting. And they put a few of the can lights in. We still have to do our main fixture above the sink and cabinet. But tomorrow we have more exciting things and we get to put the bathtub in. And the boys are going to work on getting the glass block installed. So it is finally here. Like, we're finally putting things back together, which is really, really awesome. And I feel like it's been a long time coming. Weeks that we thought it was going to take turned into months, which is always how it is. So we're really excited, and I cannot wait to see the bathtub in. It's been in our kitchen / living room for the past 2 months. So I can't wait to get it out of there and in here and just see the space come together. So stay tuned.